gosh. Ooh. Every single time we hit a bit of turbulence, I just like have a slight bit of panic. We're about to land. Whew.
It's Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta, where the local time is 3:51 p.m. We're approximately 36 minutes ahead of our scheduled arrival time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and carry items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during flight. You may receive an email from Delta asking you to share your experience with us. We do value your feedback and use your responses to continually improve your travel experience. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all of your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight, as well as managing your SkyMiles account. As you deploy this afternoon, please be sure to check the area around your seat, including that seat back pocket, to ensure that you do have everything you brought on board with you. Our arrival gate in Atlanta this afternoon is Gate B as in Bravo 23. Again, that's Gate B as in Bravo number 23. If you're making a connection in Atlanta, most up-to-date connecting gate information will be available on monitors located throughout the terminal as well as in the Fly Delta app. If Atlanta is your final destination and you have checked baggage to claim, those bags can be claimed at Domestic Baggage Claim, Carousel number 5. Again, that's Domestic Baggage Claim, Carousel number 5. On behalf of all Delta employees worldwide, our SkyTeam partners, and especially this Atlanta-based crew, it's been our pleasure to have you all on board this afternoon. We look forward to the opportunity to welcome you aboard another Delta flight in the near future. I'd like to wish everyone a pleasant and safe rest of your day here in the Atlanta area, or wherever your final destination may take you.